Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to speed up any computer free in Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we will go through 5 steps to speed up your computer or laptop. Follow these steps and I'm confident that your laptop or PC will be faster than before. So don't doubt about it and just follow my steps through the video. So first come over this start icon and click on your right mouse button and then come over this run section. I just point it in center. So then clear the tree and now write clean mgr. After that click OK. And by this you will get these cleanup driver selections. You can choose any of your driver, but I prefer you to select C drive because it's a main drive for speeding up your PC. So then click on it and then click OK. And by this, here you will get uh, many options called download program files, temporary internet files, a lot of files over here. Just check it all. Also, your recycle bin. If your recycle bin has important files, then you can move that from recycle bin. If they're not needed, then just select all and click OK and delete files. And by this, your C drive will be much cleaned. So after cleaning up your C drive, now we will go to another time in run section. Point it out in center and then now write temp. Click OK. And by this you will have to delete all the files that are looking that you are seeing over here. So select all them and then click shift and delete. And by this 24 file will be permanently deleted from your C drive. So click OK. Maybe some of the file will be not deleted. It's okay. Just click close and then come over another time insert start option. Click on your right mouse button and then go for run and then point it in center and then just before and after type percentage and then click OK. And by this you will get a lot of files that is not needed. So select them all and click shift plus delete. And by this the all file will be permanently deleted. Okay. Some of the file will be not deleted. It's okay. So skip, close. Another time come over this start option. Select run, point it center, and now write inetcpl.cpl and now click OK. And by this you are in internet properties. So now sometimes you felt your browser a little bit laggy. To solve that problem, you just come over this browsing history option, select delete, and select the download history, phone data, passwords. I don't want to delete the passwords. Just want to delete these options that appearing in these sections and then click on delete. And by this your lagging browser will be much more faster than before. So now we will go for the last options that last step. Just come over this Windows section, start sections, click on your right mouse button, click on run, point it out in center, delete it, and now write prefetch. Click OK. Click continue and Whatever file you are looking for, you need to select them all. For selecting them all, just select one and click Ctrl plus A. And by this, all the file will be selected. And now just click Shift plus Delete, and the file will be deleted permanently. So by this, you can free up and speed up your laptop or computer. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, just like and subscribe our channel. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.